You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this German surgeon. If you want to learn more names of scientists for medicine, stay tuned for more videos. Alexander, that's the German pronunciation, how he would have said his name. Alexander Tietze. Alexander Tietze. Here there's a syndrome that is named after him. In English you can pronounce it as Alexander Tietze. The Tietze syndrome. How to pronounce English pronunciation. Tietze syndrome, named after Alexander Tietze. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.